Hello everyone, this is Cherry from Sedelon Valve. Very nice to be here to introduce our products to you. And today I'm going to talk about our API 6D ball valve. Let's go and take a look. Here we can find our API 6D ball valve. As you can see, it is split body. The body and the bonnet are connected by the bolts and the nuts. The ball is floating type design. Regarding the material, the body, bonnet, ball, and the main chain are made of stainless steel 316. This ball valve is lever operated. This lever can control the ball from fully open to fully closed. Okay, this is the end of our today's introduction. Thanks for your listening. See you next time.